Jerk chicken should take you about 2 days if you're making it properly. It's not something that you just whip up real quick and throw in a grill. You gotta brine your chicken. You know, that's how you get it really, really juicy, lots of flavor to the core. We're actually gonna make a quasi-jerk brine. So the same flavors that are in jerk chicken, we're gonna impart into our brine. So we're gonna start with ginger. So we're gonna make jerk paste from scratch. Now, jerk paste is a bunch of different ingredients, about 15 different ingredients that sing. Jerk, barbecue, sauce. This sauce is versatile. You don't want it too hot. You just want the onions to swirl. All right, kiddos, it's time to jerk some chicken. Make sure you soak your wood chips.